Hi guys, Daniel here and welcome back to another one of my tech how-to videos. If you're experiencing paper jam issues on one of these Xerox printers, I've got the Phaser 6510, I'm just going to show you how to resolve it quickly. So basically there's two main areas where you'll have paper jams. You'll either have it via the bypass tray at the front or the tray at the bottom. I will show you how to fix both. So we've got a bit of A5 in here. So on this particular model, and this does apply to other models, this whole piece here pulls out like that. And what commonly happens is when you have your paper in here, I've got A5 so it might be different for you, but when you have your paper in here, the little pickup roller here, sometimes it will take two bits and jam, so that's why you get your jams. So what you need to do is remove this first and any paper from it, and remove the tray. So we've got two separate bits here. Have a good look inside, check there's no paper going up. So once you've checked that, there is somewhere else you can check as well. I'll show you around the back of the printer. The rear roller is another place you can check by this here. Just check there's no paper there and check this is free. Another tip, what you can do with this is you can just wipe this every now and then with a microfiber cloth, and that'll stop you having paper jams. So once you've cleared it, it's just a question of putting it all back together. What I would recommend you do is, pass us that bottle of that cleaner. I've had this in other videos before, but what I recommend you doing is getting some of this stuff called Platin Clean. It's a print roller and clean and restorer. And what it will do is it will clean any rubbish off your rollers like this. There's all sorts of rollers here. There's one here, there's one at the back, there's one at the front here, like I said, that I showed earlier. Don't use it on the back roller, just wipe that with a lint-free cloth like a microfiber cloth. Do not clean that, there's no need to. Use this stuff to clean this. It will nourish it and stop it slipping. So that's that Platin Clean. I'll put a link in the description to that one. And the final tip I would give you is when you're putting paper into these printers, basically, hold that on a minute, just hold it here, just keep it there. When you put paper into these printers, just flick through it like that, because what happens is you get dust in them. This applies to A4 paper, A5 paper, anything really. Just go like that a couple of times. That'll get the dust out of the printer, so it's not, dust out of the paper, so it's not actually in the printer. Right, I hope that helps anybody who's been having paper jam issues on one of these Xerox Phaser printers. And if you've got any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.